All right. Hello, my fellow investors. City Intelligent Investor here. And in today's video, we will be talking about the stock giveaways and my Robinhood portfolio. So before we start the video, guys, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. Now, this week and this week only, you're going to have a chance to win a free stock. And that stock will be Lockheed Martin. Now, this is a really expensive stock, but I was able to get funding for it. So I'm going to be doing the stock giveaway if you sign up with Acorns, but this week and this week only, okay? So do that if you can. Also, once we hit 6,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing another stock giveaway, and that stock will be Apple. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on when the stock giveaway will happen. So a quick thing, before we start, the stock giveaway was done this weekend, and the winner was Gamers of Cali. So congrats. You're getting Chevron stock, and those who didn't win for this last Acorns stock giveaway, like I said, it's going to be Lockheed Martin. So you're going to get a chance to win this stock. It's a $339 stock. So again, sign up for Acorns, but it's going to be only this week and this week only. I'm going to be doing the giveaway this weekend, so do it this week again. So starting off with the video. Now, what do I do here with Robinhood? A lot of people are telling me, oh, well, why don't you have a lot of money in your Robinhood portfolio, blah, blah, blah. Now, here in Robinhood, our big thing, as you see my previous videos back then, I used to have a lot of money in here, and then I took it out, and then I started again. And I think we started with like $200 last year, and now we're like at $7,000. So my main purpose here with Robinhood and these YouTube videos that I was doing here is kind of showing people that have a little bit of money can still get good returns. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there that are like, hey, I can make a lot more money in a year and blah, 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 blah. Then, I mean, good for you. Yeah, you know, but we're here trying to make realistic returns. Okay. Not everybody has a lot of money to just throw in there and do some swing trades that are possibly going to work and stuff like that. If you see, last year when we had a hot market, back in the recovery, I mean, we were doing swing trades here and there. So we started with 200. We ended up getting like 3,000 in swing trades, and then we kind of stopped it, and then we started getting into bigger companies. So we slowly started getting into like AT&T, Coca-Cola, Apple, Realty Income, other stocks that kind of helped us. So like I've always said, for me here, I'm showing you that even though you have a little bit of money, you can actually still make plays and make money. So again, when we jumped into Chevron as well, we got this one back at, what was it, $91 when I recommended it. I mean, it's up to, what is it now, $109. So, I mean, I have a $188 return. It's a 20.48% return, and that's really good. For someone that did, like a lot of people have told me, a lot of people that don't have money, these are good returns for them. And as you see here, I'm getting a dividend as well, paid on March 10th. So I got a good return, and I'm getting dividends on top of that. So I'm not dumping money here anymore. Before, I used to dump in, what was it? I forgot what it was. I think it was like $25 every 2 weeks. It's something that people were able to do, something that people were able to afford. So we were doing things here in Robinhood. For me, if you've seen, like I said in my previous videos, I have a huge portfolio that's worth a lot of money in Fidelity. I don't show it because I'm not here to brag and all that stuff. I don't care. I'm here to show people how to slowly start making profits. I'm not here to brag about how much money I have, how much money I make, how much money I've made and stuff like that. So I'm here to kind of just show you guys how to slowly make money and actually make profitable, good returns. Now, as you see here, I bought into two stocks this last week, and this was Lockheed Martin and Tesla. Now, again, I did a reasonable thing that people say. I put in incremental shares. So as you see here, I have a market value of $82. It's 0.24 shares. And here, same thing with Tesla, market value of $33. I only put in a little bit because I know people can't afford to buy the whole share. So it's good to buy increments and get into good companies. And the whole thing that you're looking for is the long term. So the way I set this up, before I used to do $50 a month. Now I don't do that. So the way I've changed it, I do a daily reoccurring investment, which is $1 a day I do $1 for Realty Income, $1 for Chevron, $1 for AT&T, $1 for Coca-Cola, $1 for Apple, $1 for CCIV, $2 for Lockheed Martin, and $2 for Tesla. And that's daily, Monday through Friday. So I can get a good average. With the XPC and ACIC, I have only $10 a month, and APXT, I have nothing there, because that's my swing trade stock. So once I sell out of APXT, I'm going to distribute it into other companies. But this is what my portfolio is. I'm not planning on expanding it more. These are the companies that I'm going to keep long-term besides APXT. And this is just a small portfolio that's going to be completely good growth and a great return from dividends as well. So this is what I'm doing here. This is a safe way to go. We've been hitting a downturn in the market, but as you see, my portfolio hasn't been down as much because I have companies that are balancing it out. Okay, these good long-term companies are doing well for me. CCIV, Apple, EXPC, ACIC are completely down for me, but Coca-Cola, AT&T, Chevron, and Realty Income are the ones that are pushing it up. So there's a balance there. And I have most of my shares there where they're a bit safer. And again, they all pay a dividend. So Realty Income, like I said, it's paying a $12 dividend. This is monthly. So I'm getting returns monthly. Even though the stock does come down, I'll still be making that return. So this is what I'm doing here in Robinhood, kind of showing you what you can do to get reasonable good returns. Even though we're in a down market right now, I'm still making money. Okay. And again, for me, it's a long-term thing. So for me, I'm looking for what's going to happen within the next 4 or 5 years. Okay. And I'm going to be doing these recurring investments because every day stocks jump up and down. So I want to make sure I get a good average. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm trying to show you guys how you can steadily grow your portfolio because you can do it. And like I said before, a lot of people say, oh, well, how come you don't have more money? Blah, blah, blah. Like I said, I'm not dumping a lot of money into Robinhood. Like I said here, I'm trying to make it realistic for those people who don't have a lot of money, because most of the people that do watch these videos don't have a lot of money to dump in there. They're not people that, you know, are willing to jump in their whole check. I mean, they have to pay bills, they have to do all this, and the little money they have, they can put it in the market and get some returns. And like I said, as you see here, what I'm trying to do here is show you with Tesla and Lockheed Martin. They're two big companies. They're expensive stocks, and even putting fractional shares is a really good thing because you're in the company, but you know, you're slowly getting into it and you still own a little part of it, but it's something. So eventually it'll become a share, and that'll be pretty awesome, and just it's gonna keep going like that, guys. So this is just a way to show you guys that you can still grow your portfolio without being super wealthy or having